welcome back to my channel. Chris Gault here. I am going to show you my crazy post-workout drink. This is mainly for hard gainers. I have a hard time keeping weight on, and I mean the good weight on. I mean I can put on a lot of bad weight if I eat a lot of bad food, but for me to put on quality muscle, I have to consume a lot of calories. So I'm going to show you today what I drink after my workout. It's a very nutrient-packed a protein shake that is just going to put the muscle on, and well, I'll get right to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you the ingredients now in the shake, and then we'll put it together. So I start off with, and everything here is organic. And you can see it's a lot of stuff, but everything here is organic. So I would recommend going that route. The first thing I started was with organic unsweetened almond milk, and I use the original. That way you know it's just plain almond milk and doesn't have any junk in it. Then I've got, and I won't bore you with saying organic all the time, so I'll just know this is all organic. This is a pile, which is mainly the base of spinach and kale, and this is raw sweet potatoes. Yes, I do throw raw sweet potatoes in. Onion, typically I use white onion, but I ran out, so I'm using this red onion. Rainbow carrots. I like rainbow carrots because, again, I like a multitude of colors in my vegetables because different colors mean different vitamins and minerals. So I recommend really mixing up your vegetables. I've got cherry tomatoes, celery, red pepper. I've got cucumber. Cucumber has a lot of silica in it, which is great for skin and collagen. An avocado, which doesn't look too pretty on the plate there because I've already dug it out, but that's avocado, which is a fantastic healthy fat. A lemon, and you'll notice I did something weird with the lemon. I hear that lemon peel is good for you, but I don't want to use all the lemon peel, so you could see that I took off some of the lemon peel, but I left some of it on, so I get the benefit of the lemon peel. I've got walnuts and almonds. These are raw and organic, so sorry for saying organic again, but these are raw. So don't get the roasted ones or the salted roasted ones. Just get the plain raw organic ones because they're going to give you the most nutrient value. And then I put in some protein powder. Typically I use Shakeology, but I ran out, so that's coming in the mail, but it's not here yet because I ordered it a little late. This is what I did is I ended up replacing it with some organic whey protein powder. Typically I don't use this, but I'm using it now. So then this will be, if I put it in the Vitamix here, this will make basically 3 big servings. Oh, one thing I did forget, a couple more things. I have turmeric in here. This is fresh root turmeric, which I would recommend not the powder, but the actual root. It's a super super food that is great for anti-aging, so I'd highly recommend it for everybody. And this is ginger. Now I don't peel it. Most people would probably peel it. I just am a little lazy, so I don't peel it. But I do wash it, of course, and scrub it to get all of the dirt off. And they are organic as well. And then a banana to top it off. So basically I'll put all this stuff in the Vitamix, and it will make enough for these 3 big bottles. And these 3 big bottles will take me for 3 days. So that way I'm making basically 3 days worth of drinks. So that way, I'm saving some time. And also, this stuff right here, I didn't just cut up for this drink. On Sunday, my wife and I go to the grocery store. We buy up our vegetables We chop them up and put them in bags for the week, and we use them in our salads, we use them in our smoothies. So a lot of this, even though it looks like there's a lot of prep time in this, there wasn't that much because we already prep ahead of time. So let's get it all in the blender. 30 seconds later. So this is what it looks like when it's all done. It doesn't look that pretty, but all you do is you put it in the Vitamix, you spin it all around. It does grind up. I know it sounds like there's some big chunks in there, but the Vitamix takes care of that. If you don't have a Vitamix and you have a blender that's a little smaller, just cut the vegetables up in smaller pieces, and you should be good to go. So that's it. Again, this makes 3 servings, so you have drinks, a post-workout drink for the next 3 days. So, give it a try. And I will talk to you in the next video. See ya. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button. And also, please subscribe and click on the notification button to get all this great content that's coming up every week. Thank you.